written your JAMB, the almighty JAMB. The almighty JAMB we have been planning and preparing about. If you have written your own JAMB and you are panicking, you are afraid, just calm down. Just calm down. Just calm down. In this video, let's review options you have, what you can do if you think you wrote but you have not seen your result, or you have even seen it, but you are feeling that if this JAMB result remains this way, the way you are feeling, you may not do well. Maybe you enter the JAMB hall, some things happen, maybe you forgot some things, or you couldn't, the way you are feeling, the way your mind is telling you, if you depend on what you wrote, except if God does something for you, you may not scale through, right? You may not get a very nice result. You know, something happened last year. Last year, 1.9 million persons registered for JAMB. That was 2024. And over 1.4 million failed. I'm sure you heard the news of the massive failure that was recorded last year. Because of that, a lot of you that wrote JAMB this year are already afraid. I already see people. In fact, somebody came to my office to complain that she's just depending on God. She doesn't know what to do. Are you in that condition? If you are in such a situation, listen to me. Number one, you need to know that everything you can do to upgrade or do better in your JAMB exam is what you do before the exam. Once you have entered the exam hall and done your best, there is actually nothing else you can do to increase your score. Once you've entered the exam hall, once you have written and come out, right now there is nothing you can do to increase your score. However, don't go and be panicking. I mean, if you do not do well and you know, or maybe you even did well but you are panicking, stop panicking. There's no if an egg falls from your hand and breaks, there's no need to panic. Just number one, relax and wait for the exam. This time is for you to calm down. Please tell your neighbor, say, brother, calm down. Sister, calm down. Everybody, bring your temper down. Just calm down. Don't kill yourself. Don't let no evil thoughts enter your mind. Just calm down. Even if the JAMB result will come out and you will be so shocked at how good you will perform. In our channel, I will also do a video. In fact, I've done a video on how to check your JAMB result. If you need me 2025 JAMB result, if you need me to give you that link, let me know so that I can guide you on how to check your JAMB result or how to know how much you scored in JAMB. But calm down. The next thing for you to do is put your mind in other things. If you are staying in SS3, you are writing WAEC this year and you wrote JAMB also, so channel your attention to your WAEC. Try to do very well in your WAEC so that, let's assume you do not even eventually make it in your JAMB, you will not start writing WAEC again or NECO. So focus in your WAEC if you are writing JAMB. Then if you are doing other things, find some time, continue with what you are doing. You can also spend some time to relax. If you like to go and party, swim, take yourself out, lick ice cream, then some of you that have not been sleeping well because of the JAMB, sleep very well. Take your time and sleep very. This message is not for those of you that have not written your own JAMB. If you have not written your own JAMB, you still have to carry your cross. You still have to carry your cross and follow me, follow the videos we've done. We've done several videos on use of English, chemistry, physics. We've done videos on literature, economy, all of them. If you need me to give you those videos, let me know in the comment section if you have not written JAMB, so that you will use them to keep preparing. But if you have written, please calm down. Do you get me? Calm down. Don't put your mind too much into it. Do other things. If you are in WAEC, do WAEC. Continue with your WAEC, because right now there's nothing you can do. Warning, let me warn you. There will be a lot of scammers. I've already seen scammers calling and telling that they are working JAMB office in Abuja or somewhere in Lagos. You should send them so amount of money, chat them up on WhatsApp or send them an email address. that if you pay a certain amount of money, they can upgrade your JAMB result. That is a scam. Did you understand? That is a scam. Do not fall for it. If you see such person, report the person to me. Report the person to me. Report the person to me. There is nobody that can increase your JAMB results. There is nobody that can do any manipulation for you. You have done your best and I congratulate you. Please let us congratulate ourselves in the comment section. Congratulate yourself. Congratulate other people. You can, instead of panicking, share your experience with other people, how your exam went. If you have not written your JAMB, you can get the videos I've done for your subject so that you can learn. If you want the video on how to check your JAMB result, also let me know. So I congratulate you. I salute you. Don't panic. Don't panic. Don't panic. Let me pray for you. This JAMB, even if you are failing bad, you will be surprised at how good your JAMB result will be. I want you to claim it in the comment section. Even if your mind is beating so fast since you wrote the JAMB, you will be shocked at how good you will perform in this JAMB. Claim it in the comment section. Shout, I claim it in the comment section, and we will all celebrate together. I'm leaving a video on the screen of how to check your JAMB result. Click on it now and watch.